So I'm going to go through a couple of the independent practice problems on page 361. These are optional. So describe the relationship between the terms and then write the next three terms. So first you have to see what's happening to each term and then figure out the next three. So from 0 to 7, I know that I'm adding 7. From 7 to 14, I'm adding 7. Right? I can double check by doing 7, 14 minus 7, or 7 minus 0, right? Those would all be 7. So if I'm adding 7, I'm going to do 21 plus 7, which would be 28. That'd be the first term. 28, then you take that term and add 7, 35, and then take that term and add 7, 42. So those would be my three terms, 35. So it'll be 28, 35, 42. Okay. Same thing, what's happening here? It looks like the difference between that is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay, so I'm going to take my last term, 19, and add 6. And I'll get 25. Then I'm going to take that term and add 6, and I'll get 31. Then I'll take that term and add 6, and I'll get 37. Let's do the decimal one here. Looks like from 0, let's just take our first 0.4, subtract 0.1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Bring down the decimal in the same exact spot. So it looks like it's 0.3 added to each one, right? So I'll take 1, my last term, and 1.0 and add 0.3, 1.3. Then you take 1.3 equals 1.3. Then you take 1.3 and you add 0.3 to that, 1.6. Remember, adding decimals, you have to line it up. Bring the decimal down and then bring that down. And then the last term, 1.6 plus 0.3 would be 1.9. Same thing with this, determining the difference between these would be 0.8 is the difference. So you'd add 0.8. For these, it looks like it's 1. So if you're unsure, take two terms and subtract 3.1 minus 2.0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3, bring the decimal down. 3 minus 2 is 1. Looks like 1.1. It's adding 1.1. So that's how you solve these.